Have you been told that IBS is just something that you have to deal with? I'm here to tell you something that is not true. Your body went out of balance for a reason and it can be fixed. This channel will show you how. If you've tried elimination diets, probiotics, supplements, Imodium, if you've had a colonoscopy, endoscopy, CAT scan, ultrasound, and you were told that everything looks normal, however, your life still revolves around bathroom access, you're tired of living in a body that is completely unpredictable. The problem is not you. It is that no one has looked deep enough to find the cause of your symptoms. I'm Aneliya, a board-certified physician assistant specialized in gastroenterology for the past 11 years. I've treated hundreds of women with IBS, initially in conventional medicine, where I watched us fail them, and now in holistic healing, where we actually get to heal. I know why nothing has worked yet, and I know what does. On this channel, I break down the real root causes of IBS, how to find them, and how to fix them. No more guessing, no more band-aids, no more random supplements. Hit subscribe and let's fix this together.